outside the allotments here and the community garden, and this has been really beneficial for this community for the last, almost 10 years. And we've been given notice of eviction, and it seems a bit like it hasn't really been thought through. The Dublin City Council have previously given commitments to find us a replacement when this place would be earmarked for housing. That isn't being realised at the moment. We're not getting a replacement garden, even though there's a lot of Dublin City Council vacant land around this area. So we think it's really unfair, and we think that we need to pause and just have a think about this. Like, it is in the context of the Liberties being extremely deficient and recognised by Dublin City Council as being extremely deficient in green space.
I run community garden in this Weaver Square allotment, so there's a big patch where it's designated to the community garden. I have groups of young people, adults. I do therapeutic gardening course there for people who have mental health issues, and we also have a group of volunteers who come in once a week, twice a week, and get involved just in the gardening and planting. Overall, it's a lovely place to have. It's really nice to have in the middle of the city with this such a dense area with lots of apartments, lots of people living in flats. Children have no access to kind of constructive outdoor areas. So it's been a fantastic resource for people that I work with.
Like, this would not happen in Killiney House, just no brainer. Like, so we've just lost Newmarket Square, Co-op's gone, the Green Door's gone, and there's just a feeling like we've gone around to all the local community organisations. Everyone supports us, so I don't think we're making it up. We're kind of going enough. Like, we need more of this, not less. If I worked in Dublin City Council, I get where they're coming from. I'd be reacting hugely to the crisis. We all see people living on the streets. It's shit, it's terrible. But we're just saying, actually, hold on a second, just pause. Dublin City Council have space. The OPW just sold public land to a developer last week in an auction. So they're selling land to private developers, and they're asking us to give up a little green space that's the size of a postage stamp. It just makes no sense.